The ShoreTel Act integration is a Microsoft desktop application that is licensed per user and is compatible with the Sage Act 2010 or later client variant. By automating routine tasks and ensuring accurate record keeping, this software makes employees more efficient, clients more satisfied, and businesses more profitable. Once installed, the application will appear in the lower right Windows tray area. A user can mouse over the icon to show application status and right-click to cause the settings menu to appear. The settings are divided into 4 tabs. The Act Credentials tab contains Act database location and user credentials. The Contact Form Options section allows the user to decide whether to show as links in the contact detail form the activities, history, notes, and opportunities stored for that contact. The user may also indicate how many days pass and for activities future to consider when displaying the links. In this section, the user may also configure the web map provider to use for mapping contact addresses. The Act Up Main Settings section allows the user to fine-tune application startup and screen pop behavior according to his preferences. The user can decide for which types of calls, for example inbound, outbound, internal, and/or external, pop-ups should occur and when to generate the pop-up, either during ringing or when user answers. Within the Other Options section, the user can decide whether to allow the software to automatically create new Act contacts, as well as whether to display the ShoreTel pop-up or the matched contact screen directly out of Act itself. In addition, the user can fine-tune the history entries automatically created within Act by the ShoreTel software. A core element of the ShoreTel Act integration is the pop-up window that appears when the software matches the calling or called party phone number to an Act contact record with the same home, business, or mobile phone number. The Act data contained in the pop-up is configurable and linked for further drill down. In addition, the pop-up screen itself provides convenient embedded call controls. We will demonstrate now an incoming call that matches a single Act contact. The ShoreTel pop-up is color-coded based on contact type. It displays when the call presents, then begins to fade away until the user mouses over. The user can, from the pop-up, answer the call on his ShoreTel extension, which may be associated with his desk phone, Office Anywhere, to a home phone, or tied to his soft phone. In this next demonstration, we will show how the user can click on the links offered in the pop-up in order to very efficiently probe further into customer data, either gaining quick visibility to recent activities directly within the pop-up, or by navigating to relevant records within Act itself. A user can easily navigate from the pop-up to the contact and company records within Act itself, or he may choose one of the convenience links in the lower section of the pop-up to conveniently display recent associated data. In this next demonstration, we show how the user can click on the links offered in the pop-up in order to very efficiently probe further into customer data, either gaining quick visibility to recent activities directly within the pop-up, or by navigating to relevant records within Act itself. The entries displayed in the convenience screens exactly reflect those stored in the Act database itself. The next demonstration presents additional links available in the pop-up, including company website and street address mapping, as well as an easy-to-use Act History Quick Create button. Call results are easily categorized and marked private as appropriate, then stored to act for archiving and later retrieval. The ShoreTel pop-up also provides convenient embedded call control buttons that are the focus of the next demonstration. A ShoreTel user can leverage his desk phone or computer to manage calls depending upon what is most convenient at a given time. The transfer button shows in the lower right section of the pop-up. When clicked, a user is prompted to enter the destination phone number as well as an optional note that travels within the call. The employee at extension 410 receives the transferred call as well as the context-specific pop-up that presents the real-time call note that was added by his colleague. The result is minimum re-ask questions and a very well-served client. Next, we will show pop-up behavior in the cases of multiple or no matches on incoming caller ID. First, for a call with two matching contacts, the pop-up allows easy selection of the appropriate item. In the no-match case, if so configured, a user can very easily create a new contact entry within ACT directly from the convenient pop-up interface. The ShoreTel ACT integration application also supports click-to-dial of any phone field within ACT contact and company records. Follow the application user guide for step-by-step instructions explaining how to configure this option. Look for the orange ShoreTel icon adjacent to clickable phone numbers. A simple left mouse click will send the call out from the user's ShoreTel extension and, if so configured, an ACT history entry will be automatically created. Thank you very much for taking the time to learn more about offering. Please feel free to contact us or your authorized ShoreTel partner for complete documentation and a free trial license for this application or for information about our many other ShoreTel integrated solutions. Enjoy!